destiny, provided you stay on the anvil and yield yourself to God. While on the anvil, every work of the flesh is chiseled away. Self is dethroned in total surrender. In spite of immense suffering, persecution, and rejection, being misunderstood and lied on, your response to the master builder will be, Lord, not my will, but thy will be done. Hallelujah. Immediately, you become his masterpiece, a portrait of the love of Christ that will impact everyone's life you come into contact with. You, yes, you will bring hope for healing, restoration,